Hello and welcome back to the Muscle Car Appraisal channel. Here's a quick one for you. At the Mecum Auction in Kissimmee, Florida, is a collection of 1963 split window Corvettes. This consignor has one of every color. There's 3 of them in front of you there. There's 3 over there. There's 2 over there. That makes 8, but there's only 7 colors. That one is the same color as that one. So let's see if we can tax my memory and name all the colors. I know I got a couple of them nailed, but let's see if I can roll through this. Paint codes, not so good on that. But I know they all begin with the number 9, that's for sure. And I should know a few of them as I go along. So this first car is tuxedo black. And that's just a straight 900 color code. Then next to it is Daytona blue. That one has a 916 paint code. I just did an appraisal on an incredible Daytona blue convertible with a 340 horse 327. So I remember that one quite well, and Daytona blue suits these cars very, very well. They look fantastic in black as well, but there's something about Daytona blue, and if you have one with a red interior, boy, does that car really pop. This car, let's see, that's silver blue. I remember Riverside red. And then that one should be saddle tan. This one, the Riverside red, that might be 923 for a paint code. The silver blue and the saddle, I don't remember those. This one's easy. That's ermine white, and that code is 936. And this one, that's Sebring silver for 63, and I don't remember the paint code on that. Again, they all begin with a 9. This one, I'm not sure if this is by a different consignor or not, but it is a 63 split window, and it's the same color as that one over there. So we have 7 colors: black, Daytona blue, silver blue, Riverside red, saddle ermine white, and Sebring silver. So there you have it, folks. Quick and dirty, one of every color, 1963 split window collection, all for sale here at the Mecum Auction in Kissimmee, Florida. See you again soon. Thanks for watching.